10 series rocker switch panels come fully packaged, ready for complete installation. Our installation package includes 1 rubberized waterproof gasket for installation, 1 cigarette lighter adapter for the charging port, a complete set of installation screws, as well as a large variety of stickers for the light panels to indicate windshield wiper washers, wash-down pumps, VHF radio systems, or any other type of system that you may connect with the rocker switch. These panels are completely pre-wired with a neat and clean installation package for safety. The wiring is marine-grade, fully tinned copper wiring. The tips are tinned for ease of installation to include 4 15-amp blade fuses. Each rocker switch is CE rated for both 12 and 24 volt systems. The 12 volt systems are rated for 20 amps and the 24 volt systems are rated for 10 amps. Each blade fuse covers 1 ancillary port and 2 switches. The second ancillary port and 2 switches, third ancillary port and 2 switches, as well as the amp meter and the final 2 switches. These blade fuses are standard with 15 amp and able to be upgraded by the customer to a maximum of 40 amp blade fuses.